Today we're going to remove a glove box latch from a 2002 to 2005 Trailblazer or GMC Envoy. First you're going to pop up this clip right here. You just push it up and then it'll allow the glove box to drop down. And now you have access to all the screws to remove the glove box itself. Those are all the screws there. Now here we are removing all the screws to get the glove box off so we can access the glove box latch, which is underneath it. Now we're pulling the door off once all those screws are removed. Now we have access to the glove box latch. We're going to remove those two screws there, which is the Phillips. Now with the latch removed, now we can remove the handle itself. It just removes by removing the spring here. Just get your flathead screwdriver and then you pry the spring out like that. And then you have to do it again on the other side. And then once you do that, you slide it out. And there, your glove box latch is out. Thanks for watching.